So let's look at part 6 of this question. You're told that the manufacturer introduces a quick test to check if the lights are faulty. The lights are identified as faulty, are discarded. If the light is faulty, there's 95% chance the quick test will correctly identify the light as faulty. If the light is not faulty, there's a 6% chance that you will incorrectly identify the light as faulty. Okay, let's see how we can do this properly. So this is part 6. I think first of all, we need to define the events first. So let F be the event where the light is faulty. I will let C be the event where the test correctly identify the state of lights. Okay, so of a light. So that's what we're gonna do. So this case here, you're told that the light is faulty. If the light is faulty, so probability if the light is faulty, given that if it's faulty, there's a 95% chance that the quick test will identify it correctly. So this is 95% chance. So this is 0.95. Okay. Then there's a 6% chance that the quick test will incorrectly identify the light. So this would be incorrectly identify the light as faulty if the light is not faulty. So if the light is not faulty, this is there's a 6% chance. Okay, great. So this is how you do it. So find the probability that a light identified as faulty is not faulty. So essentially, right, you have already identified it as faulty by the quick test. So in other words, you have already identified as faulty. This is one, and after which you need to and also you need not faulty. Quick test is not faulty, so this is not faulty. Okay, it may seem like you could express this in terms of CNF, but it's not. But I'll try and explain later. So we're gonna look and try and draw a tree diagram out. I think this tree diagram should be quite quick to draw. So you have got the first thing. This is given that F happens first, so it has F have to come first. F has to come first. F prime, then C prime, C prime here. So this case here, what we get is faulty. Faulty would be, for a light to be faulty on average is 8%, so 0.08. This is 0.92, right? Then after which you have got the correct, which is 0.95, which is this case here. Then this is 0.05. This case here will be 0.06, and this will be 0.94. That's pretty okay. Now, I'm gonna try and see how do we solve this conditional probability here. You want it to be identified as faulty for the bottom one. So identifying as faulty would be this case here. So faulty and correctly identified. And if you're not correct, this will be identified as faulty as well. Right? So if you're not faulty and you get the wrong result, you will identify as faulty as well. So this is identified as faulty as this, because this is not faulty. So if it's wrong test, then it's identified as faulty. It's interpreting it, which is the tough one, I think, for this case here. So this would be 0.08 times 0.95 plus 0.92 times 0.06. Okay? Then after which you think about not faulty and identify as faulty, which is this branch. Out of these two branches, this is the only branch which you are talking about not faulty, right? Sorry, not faulty is this one, F prime. So 0.92 times 0.06. Alright, so key in calculator, we get answer 0.92 times 0.06. Then after which you have 0.08 times 0.95 plus 0.92 times 0.06. Okay, so this case here would be 69 over 164. Okay, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any questions? Yeah, please do let me know, okay?